Are you ready to witness unprecedented power? Today, we will explore the most modern, fastest, and most efficient wood splitting machines on the market. From advanced hydraulic technology to intelligent automation systems, these machines will leave you in awe. Get ready to witness a revolution in the wood industry. Welcome to experience the operation of this modern mobile wood splitting plant. Equipped with many utilities, but the heart is a very smart and high-efficiency wood cutting system. Stack the wood in the tray and the logs will be cut into small, fitting pieces immediately. Admire the beautiful design and high efficiency of this wood splitting machine. This wood splitting machine is an excellent choice for processing large logs. The integrated saw cuts trees into desired sections. The vertical blade system moves up and down with absolute power against these logs. Each continuous downward stroke produces firewood pieces, which is an incredibly impressive and powerful design. Do you want to see more modern and unique machines? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the exciting content coming up. You'll be amazed by the unique and one-of-a-kind design of this wood-splitting machine. These tubes are used to hold long logs, rotating continuously around the axis to slide the long logs down to the cutting blade below. This is a very special and efficient design. The logs cut directly with a chainsaw provide flexibility for the operator. This homemade wood splitter is demonstrating its optimal effectiveness. The split logs are immediately transferred to a cart. Smart design always helps increase productivity significantly. Let's admire this modern and high-efficiency wood splitter. The wood is stacked vertically, which is extremely convenient for the operator. The module is easily movable, making it an excellent choice for anyone. This man is operating a continuous wood cutting machine. Speaking of efficiency, this wood cutter certainly ranks at the top. Two giant saw blades and a supporting shaft system work continuously, feeding long logs in and on the other side. Perfectly sized firewood pieces are conveyed out. This modern wood splitter is preparing for its spectacular performance. No need to do anything else, just move the wood into the right position and the machine does its job. The rotating splitting blade creates super large cutting forces, slicing through the log into clear pieces of firewood in an instant. If you want a super fast cutter to process the trees in your garden, here, let me introduce you to this extraordinary wood splitting machine. The circular blade rotates continuously around the axis with a gap to pull and cut the wood into sections. This is an eye-catching and extremely efficient design. Listen to the engine sound to feel the impressive power of this wood splitter. Integrated with a closed-loop process from wood conveyor, cutter, and continuous splitter, this is a dream machine for anyone looking for ideas for their own modern wood splitting system. Wow, human creativity is truly extraordinary. From the idea to implementation, and the result is an incredibly impressive homemade wood cutter like this. They may not be industrial experts, but this is already enough to create excellent results for their needs. Extremely impressive. Let's explore this miniature wood splitting factory. This is a special version developed by these men themselves. The system operates smoothly and efficiently, from picking up wood onto the conveyor belt, high-speed chainsaw cutting, to the powerful wood splitting thrust system. It's truly impressive what they have accomplished. What is this? I'm truly amazed by such unique designs. This wood splitter is crushing logs just like a monster consuming food. It's an incredibly powerful machine. Two bicycle wheels are used as rotating axles for the saw blade, making this one of the most impressive homemade wood sawing machines. The cuts are very precise, producing production quality boards. Admiration for those who created and developed this unique wood sawing machine. Wow, without a doubt, This is absolute power against these logs. This giant splitter defies all limits of tree diameter. Splitting wood is no longer a laborious task, but as fun as a cake-cutting game. Truly impressive. This giant log splitter is processing huge logs, positioned horizontally with an incredibly powerful hydraulic system. This machine is demonstrating its strength. With each back-and-forth compression, the log quickly transforms into a cascade of firewood pieces. Cutting large piles of wood like this is certainly challenging, but with the powerful tractor engine and this continuously rotating cutting chamber with sharp blades, the job is easier than ever. Feed the wood into the conveyor and you're done. A powerful and impressive design. This is the solution to split huge logs into firewood pieces. The super powerful large hydraulic system combined with a sturdy frame and movable splitting blade. This modern wood splitter is demonstrating its unparalleled strength. The long hammer is also very important for pulling and placing large logs into the correct position. Very interesting. Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.